Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Now I think this is number 6 in making money from lawnmowers. So I think this is number 6. And as you can see, I've got a Hayter 56. If you've been watching the channel over the years, I've had every version you could have of the 56 come through. I've had all the different engines, the ones with the clutch, the ones with the varied drive. I've had all the versions. One of our contractors had 15 of them. So we had one in here for probably well over a year of 56. Well, maybe longer than that now, but I was glad to get rid of them. And now we've got one back again. But this is a very basic model. So this one hasn't got the choke. It's got the primer. It hasn't got it's just got a normal blade, basic blade as well. Yeah, it's pretty basic. So this is, like I say, the basic model of the 56. They do so many different versions of this. It's sort of unbelievable, really. So you know, you'll always find one different. Now I've done a bit of a deal to get this. Well, I bought this as part of a package, so I paid too much for it, and I know that. I bought this machine and a whacker plate, what I will show you now. Right, yeah, so I paid £80 for the two, so that's £40 each. I've just split it down the middle. I thought that's the best way of trying to work out what I paid for what one, you know. So problems I've got with this one. Well, it runs lovely, it runs no problem, starts okay. About a second pull, what's fair enough for one of these. The other problem is it needs a blade. The blade's tore out. I didn't obviously realise that until I got it back. I bought it in the dark, honestly. You couldn't have got any darker if you tried. So it was in the corner of the garden in the dark. I did have a torch with me obviously, but you couldn't see that. Yeah, so it needs a blade. I'm only going to fit a pattern one off of eBay, £9 something. We'll say 10. I'll round it up and make it easy. So that means this machine owes me 50 quid. There's obviously, like I say, the paint loss, and there's a hole here on this side. The other side's fine. It's just this side. It's the worst bit. Apart from that, it's good, you know. The wheels are straight. On the front of it, the roller works, the drive works. Yeah, it's all there. But, what I was going to say is, if you're going to buy one of these, always check down here, because they crack through here. So there's a hole here for the drive. So they crack through here. The front ends chip away, and they end up opening right up. And same on the other side there, they crack, especially in and out of vans or anything like that. If you've got a lot of contractors one. We're lucky here, this is a private use one, but obviously the paint's seen better days and it's coming off. I could do it, but I don't see the point. I want to knock it out quick, you know, get some money coming back on it. I did honestly only sort of paid money for it because I wanted the whacker plate. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on eBay tomorrow night for as Thursday tomorrow. So it's going to go on tomorrow night for 10 days. So it'll finish the following Sunday night. I'm actually recording this. I know you're going to see this in the middle of November. But I'm recording this, I think it's the 31st, so it's Halloween today. So it'll be gone and sold by the time you get to see it. I'm trying to do it that way, so any machines I have, I don't have here when I don't want them laying about here when they're on YouTube, because you never know who's watching, do you? So, like I say, this one is going to go Thursday night. I'll put up tomorrow night. And then hopefully it'll be gone the following Sunday. I'm not going to put a reserve on it. I'm going to put it on for a 99p starting bid and see where we go. If I get me 40 quid back, I'll be happy. But I have looked at the price they're going on eBay at the moment. And it's a bit difficult because it's in the cutting season really, and some are, well, this looks rough but it's solid. I mean, some of the ones on there are absolutely disgusting. They want like 120, 150 £150 for them. So like I say, I'm going to bang it on 99p and chance me arm on it. I will say one thing, I've got the handlebars are really, or the handles I should say, they're really good condition, all original, nothing's damaged on them. I'm so used to having bent up handles on them when they come to move from the contractors. It's had like a scrape across the top of the engine, something's been sitting on top of it. I'm trying to move you without you throwing up. I'll definitely move it. Don't really want to know, does it? Yeah, it's had something scraped on there over the years. The other thing is, as you know, I live on the top of a hill, and this machine comes from the bottom of the hill, and it's always been on ground sort of like that, more is upright. So when I tried it there, even in the dark I could see it smoking, and when I got it here it was smoking because its poor thing's never run level. So it's either going to be running too much oil in it, depending on the angle, or it's going to be running sort of dry. So this is probably the first time it's ever been level since it came out of the shop, sort of 18 years ago or whatever it is. But like I said, we're going to chance it. I'm going to put it on and see how we go. And then I've just got the whacker plate to deal with then. Right, I think that's it for this little video. I don't want it too long because I get long and boring. And it's a 56. You've all seen 56s. I don't know what else you can say about it. You know. But I'll let you know in the next one what we got for it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, all the usual stuff. You know what you're doing. Don't need me to tell you. Every other channel's doing it for you. So yeah, I shall see you next time. Bye for now.